today we're finally going to do our overhaul on our LS transmission, and we are finally upgrading to a GSR transmission. I got it jacked up, and I'm going to pretty much give you guys a time lapse and narrate it so I can just get this done because it's a long job ahead of me. Let's go. And then we got our little baby right there. For you guys that know, this is a GSR transmission. It's a hydro. It's non-LSD, but it has a bigger diff than the LS. And the LS has a really bad third gear pop out. So we're upgrading to a better one with no pop outs. And my car's been overheating a little bit, so there's a little leak I gotta check. We'll do all that, but I'm just gonna get right. Third gear works great, guys. No problem. And honestly, driving it home was great. It was great, guys, because with having third gear, it felt so good. And with the GSR trains, it's so shorter in gears that like every gear was just a little shorter. So honestly, my motor just likes it. It feels like it's not bogging and it's on its face. Ah, fuck. Can you scoot up a little bit, man? Oh, my guy. You can't scoot up a little bit? Oh, fucking idiot. What a faggot. What a fucking dick. Fucking faggots out here, man. Takes the whole road, don't even live here, and he got his gloves on. Like, my guy, I know this disease is serious, but you're over there driving. you're literally driving with gloves on in your own car. You don't know if you got corona in your car? That dude pissed me off, man. Yeah, we had a race car. this. You hear all these fucking pebbles? That's the only thing I hate about having drag radios as a daily. It's like, bro, like anything with loose gravel and it's kicking up. Hopefully I ain't fucking my whole rim up because this idiot, you know what I mean? I'm over there looking at him. That was kind of my fault because I'm looking at him halfway in the street. Like he don't know how to pull over on the side more. Go ahead, Robbie. Hopefully I ain't curb my fucking wheels, man. I'm gonna hate my life if I did. Pay too much money for these, man. Let these get all curved up. Yeah, she's good. She's good. And then I broke my side skirt, guys. JJ has a repair thing to repair it, but I'm probably just gonna buy new PCI side skirts because why not? And I'm waiting for a new front bumper. I just ordered some new rear calipers for the car because that caliper is messed up. So we're gonna be changing them. I'm gonna try to get my hands on a parking brake. And literally, I'm almost ready to go to Joel, but I'm still having coolant issues. So that's why I'm driving it to try to heat it up a little bit. Maybe by doing that, I'll get lucky. I'll be able to see it. And then I can try to pinpoint exactly which one it is, take it off. And yeah, but I figured the park's right across the street. I might as well take my dog because he's just been bratty today. And yeah, so I just want to let you guys know, I'm gonna end out this video. I just want to let you guys know that the GSR Trans is amazing. It works great. I used 3 quarts of synchro mash for it. And I know I didn't make this a crazy long video. I know I did not show you guys everything from start to finish. But like I said, I have other videos. If you look through my channel, when I put the LS Trans in it originally, and I spent a lot of time on them, and there was a couple videos. So if you watch it, you'll pretty much get the whole gist of how everything works. I honestly just wanted to get it done. I ran into a couple issues that killed the time. I had to let the car stay over there overnight. So when I went there the next day, I wasn't gonna sit there and be like, oh, well, let me record. I just wanted to get it done, you know what I mean? So, yes, guys, it's official, man. Follow us, K-Power Performance, man. This car is gonna come out great. I know it looks crazy right now. And it's been a while since I said I'm sorry.